So hello YouTube, this is Fastto back again with the video. So this is not gonna be a motor vlog or some कोई सा video or not a review video. ये होने वाला एक maintenance video. So I'm gonna clean my stage 2 with the snorkel का BMC air filter. So I'm just gonna make you go through the process. As you know, my bike is a stage 2 tuned bike. So it's already here set pepped up, so I'll just make you go through the steps and how to do it. We already have the KNN. We didn't get the BMC, so we bought the KNN as you could see here. This is the, what is this, air filter cleaner, and this is the oiler. So I'll just show you the steps कैसे क्या करते हैं जब तक आप इंट्रो देखो.
We make the streams louder.
So we have put the bike in ignition. We didn't on it. The kill switch is on, as you could see. Lights on here. So what do we have to do is we have to place it in first gear. Which won't go. टायर टिप कुछ तिप्पू मल्ली हाँ. So अब ये फर्स्ट गियर में जा चुका है. As you could see, the kill switch is on and it's in first gear. So just turn off the kill switch, ignition हटा दो, put it in first gear. As you could see, seat आ चुकी है. Seat is placed here. So अब टूल किट से निकाल के ये एक L bit निकाल चुके हम लोग, as you could see. So having a person for helping is better क्योंकि this is not a one-man job. So when we open this, we'll just show you how does the filter look and everything. Filter is out finally, and it is not a BMC, it's a DNA filter. I didn't know, sorry. Comments में आप बहुत आएंगे कि हाँ भाई गाड़ी चलाते हो खुद नहीं मालूम. It's a DNA filter with the snorkel. थोड़ा गंदा है, it's not too bad, but change कर लेना better है. Oiling करके we'll just everything is getting prepped up now. So गर्म बहुत हो रहा है. So here is the air filter BMC का. So this I'm doing it with the KNN recharge kit which was there for my car, and here comes with a manual or user instruction which is not needed at all. So it's easy 4 steps. I'll just tell you, I have a few tips and tricks क्योंकि मेरे कार के cold air intake filter भी था, so in that I did use it. So I know a few tips and tricks, so we'll just go through the process. So first is इसको पहले ये air filter cleaner से पूरा उसमें spray करके we have to leave it around for 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that you have to cool wash it. ये सब क्यों इतना टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करना? So better just hop into the process and I'll just show you each process how it's done and how it should be done. First step start हो गया है. So cleanser apply करके we'll let it soak for 10 minutes. thorough apply करना है पूरा अच्छे से. अगर हो सकते तो अंदर बाहर से भी करेंगे अप्लाई. So we'll just let it soak for 10 minutes. We shouldn't use a dry hair dryer or something to let it dry. So पूरा एक बार अप्लाई करने के बाद we'll show you the next process what it is. तो एक बार देख सकते हैं कि इट्स टोटली ऑयल्ड अप और गिर रहा है, सो दैट नीड्स टू हैपन, इट नीड्स टू ड्राई, सो 10-15 मिनट्स में ड्राई हो जाता है. सो इफ़ यू हर 2-3 मिनट के इंटरवल में इफ़ यू जस्ट टिल्ट इट अ बिट, तो एक्सेसेस जो नीचे फॉर्म हो जाता है जो बेस पे, सो दैट गेट्स क्लीनड अप बिकॉज ऑफ द बॉर्डर की वजह से इट डजंट कम आउट. सो तीनों तरफ वैसे करने से इट्स बेटर. So the next process will be of rinsing it with a cold low pressure water. So 10 minutes are done. So we are just washing it over here. So as you could see, it's totally soaked. So you just have to place it. As you could see the dust and the oil coming out. Make sure it's cool water and low pressure. Make sure to leave no spots. And we just have to make it dry just by shaking it. Do not use a hairdryer or any kind of thing, any hot or cold thing. We just need to make it dry naturally, or else it can lose its elements. Waiting for 15-20 minutes, the filter has finally dried up. It's पानी निकल नहीं रहा. So we'll just wipe out the borders and the top part, and then we'll use this air filter oil, which is by KNN, but using on a DNA, no problem. Thank you, KNN. Sponsorships do KNN. So we'll just use this and I'll show you the process. So the oiling part is going on and the oil looks like a fresh engine oil. So देख सकते हैं the difference, the reddish is the part which is done, और ये जो after washing. So it's a very minute or minimal process कि एक एक प्लीट को you have to evenly oil it, then उसको तो क्या होता है कि जैसे ही डालो so it forms kind of a block, फिर after few seconds it gets dissolved, so it forms a full reddish color. So you have to evenly do it. And when you're drying it, in the third process, when you're drying it, try to shake it अच्छे से. जितना हिलाओगे तो the water droplets fall out, नहीं तो देखने में तो अंदर वो बाहर से एकदम सूखा ही दिखता है. But then try to shake it a bit so that the water droplets fall out evenly. This is how it looks like after being oiled up totally. So now it's just ready to be inserted. So this was the kit which I used. It is a K&N recharger kit. It can be used for both cars and bikes. So now in the next video you'll see how it is fitted back again. So now the filter has been put, it is placed properly. Yeah, it's placed properly as you could see. And now the snorkel cap, pulled up. Now the snorkel cap, as you could see, of the DNA is being placed and it will be screwed up properly. So don't screw it too hard, cause the nuts given are not so thick, so chances are कि thread loose हो सकता है and many more. So don't screw it too hard. You're not changing a tire, so don't screw it too hard. If you're still watching the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the video, and do comment down below कि आपको इस टाइप की और कोई सी videos देखनी है कि नहीं. So it's just being nut, then we'll have a 5 minute का cold start, and just remember कि जब भी आप कर रहे हो तो engine ठंडा होना चाहिए. The engine shouldn't be warm, or it should be in the first gear, and the ignition key also shouldn't be there, just for some electric and safety purposes. So after it being nut, it's getting screwed now. So पूरा लगने के बाद, so I'll just show you how does it sound, cause it was looking, देखने में तो पहले dry होने के बाद it was kind of grayish, but after the oiling was done it turned into total reddish. It looks very good. Now let's see कि I'm thinking there'll be a different type of growl for few days cause it's cleaned now, but then dust से फिर से हो के, so it will be back to again. So we'll just have a 5 minute का cold start when everything's been fitted. Everything is done. So now for the start. एक second, neutral bit. Raise it. Start. The growl has increased a lot. As you could see. So guys, there is a lot of difference in the growl. I'm not sure कि आपको आवाज़ आ रही होगी नहीं आ रही होगी. So let the engine heat for some time, and that's it for today's vlog guys. This is Fastto signing off. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा so you know the drill what to do. और अगर आपको और कुछ queries है तो please do comment down below in the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.